while everyone is sleeping, we are already killing it in a VIP group. So if you watch the video that I posted yesterday here on YouTube, I predicted gold would sell, and that's exactly what happened today, guys. So as you all know, I trade pre-London session and a New York session, right? And during pre-London, I actually send a signal in a VIP group. So as you can see, this is the VIP group. I actually sent this signal. It was a sell, and the price entry was at the 4,700 and TP at the 4,600, right? So, and as you can see, the market went all the way down and it hit our take profits, and we actually banged 860 pips of profits, guys. And this is just in the morning. This is just a pre-London session, and still we are waiting for London session, right? So now let's just go back here so that I can explain to you guys. So as you can see, this is the actual trade, guys. I predicted this yesterday, and I told you guys, since gold is dropping on a daily time frame and all the time frames, we still gonna be looking for sales as well. So now in this video, I just want to make this video for education purposes only, just to show you how powerful is patience in a forex market. All right, so now this is exactly what I'm always telling my people. If you join the VIP group, right, I always tell people you have to have patience. Now, because our risk to reward ratio in the VIP group, it's a 1:3, the market doesn't always go straight down. The market is always going down, but it's just gonna be moving with some pullbacks, right? So, and most people, when they say pullback, they usually panic and just maybe close out of fear or something like that, but one thing you need to understand is trust the strategy, and don't move stop loss or take profit. Just let the market either hit TP or stop loss, right? So now, as you can see, now let me just play this out so that you can see exactly what happened. Right now, I wanna replay this so that you can literally see what happened. This is a 1 minute time frame. Start a new one. So we actually took a trade. It was here. This is where we took this trade, guys. You see, this is at the point where we took this trade. It was right here, and that's when I actually tell everybody to sell, and that's when I sold gold, right? And now let's just play it so that you can see how powerful what patience can do. So as you can see here, our risk to reward ratio is a 1:3. If you pressure, you can see 1:3, and this is what I always do now, because it's always be like this. If we lose one trade, even if we lose two trades, we're still gonna be in a massive profit, right? And that's that's a topic for another day. So now let's just play and see what is happening. As you can see here, let me just why is it too fast? We don't want it to be too fast. Play speed. Okay. All right, so let's just pause here, guys. Let's just pause here and talk about this. So as you can see, we took a trade here, right? We took a trade here, and then the market went all the way down, guys. And guess what? That was like a half of the profit. And as you know, to these days, gold is having high volatility. So the market went all the way down at 350 pips. 350 pips, but still I hate to actually be patient and wait the market to either hit my TP or my stop loss, guys. And I had to wait. Now watch what happened. The market went all the way up, and it was this closer to hit my stop loss. But guess what happened? I just let it play it out. I didn't do anything. I just let the market. I just trusted the place where I put my stop loss, and I trusted the trend, and I trusted also everything, guys. And this is exactly what I do every day. It doesn't happen like this every time, but I'm just telling you guys what patience can do. All right, now let's just play it. Let's just make it a little bit faster, man. Boom. See? Now you can see, guys, it was this closer to hit our stop loss, but the market immediately reversed and it started going down. You guys, you can see that the market start going down, and even by the time it was going down again, it was having pullbacks. Like I said, the market doesn't always go straight. Let's say if you sell here and then the market doesn't always go straight like this and it hits your take profits, right? It's always gonna be moving like this, you know, just with the pullbacks until it hit your take profit. So that's when you just have to have patience when you're actually aiming high RR, right? Especially if you are aiming from a 1:3, 1 to 3, right? You just have to be patient because sometimes the market might move down and it hits your take profit immediately, and sometimes it's gonna move like this. And trust me, even myself, I was actually worried. I was like, yo, but again, I do have a trading plan that tells me do not do anything, just respect your plan. And that's exactly what I did. I didn't close, I didn't do anything. I'm just waiting, you know, because while I'm in, I'm in. I treat every trade as a contractor. When I'm in, I'm in. I don't have to close, I don't have to to do anything. So as you can see, boom, and that's when the market went down and it hit take profits. You see, after too many ups and downs, imagine opening a trade here, the trader ran down, went up, went down very close to TP as well, went back up to break even, and that's when it decided to come all the way down and hit take profit. So you guys, you can see how crazy trading is, but it's all about passions, guys. Have a trading plan, trust your strategy, and then trust yourself, you know, because that's one thing. Let me just put this out there, guys, so that let me explain to you something that nobody ever tells you about, right? Hey, you just have to create a system. You understand? You don't have to freestyle while trading. Don't just open a trade and take different type of trades every day. That way you won't even know which strategy you're using and what is working for you or not. Just have a system. So for me, I created a system where I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I actually look for one thing every single day. When I sit, and that's when I'm gonna open a trade, right? And also I have a plan, you know, that's a part of my system. I have a plan. I only trade 1 to 2 trades per session. If I win the first trade, I'm done for the session. So as you can see, we already killed the pre-London, so I don't have to be on a chart again. I'm done the day, and now I'm just gonna be waiting for New York session later. And during London session, I'm only gonna trade only 1 to 2 trades. If I win the first one, I'm done for the session and I'm done for the day. I only traded 2 sessions per day. You know, that's a system. Just create a system. Don't freestyle in the forex market, guys. Do not do that. Do not do that. I do not recommend. So that's just it, guys. And guess how many pips we have caught? That was a whooping um 8,500 500 points, and that's 800 and 500 pips, right? That's exactly what I caught. We have caught with a VIP group. So if you are not in this VIP group, I'm telling you, I'm missing out a lot. And this 2026, we are coming different, guys. It's gonna be a banger after banger. I know we've been killing it low key, you know, but now I'm back. I'm like, why would I not? Why wouldn't I just post it, you know, just to show the world, to tell people what we're doing, you know, because I don't want to be selfish with this. So, and to join the VIP group, just to join the free group down below in the description, and you're gonna see the way to join the VIP group while you are in a free Telegram group. It's actually pinned in a free Telegram group on how to join the VIP group. So yeah, I will see you there, guys. I hope to see you. I hope everyone caught this trade because I actually sent this one. I posted here on the YouTube yesterday, and I hope everyone caught that move. Yeah. Yes, sure. And the gold is still going down. So yeah, let's see what New York session has to offer. If the market is actually gonna start going up, I will update you. And if the market is still going down, we're gonna go down with it. You know what I mean? We're gonna go down with it. You know, we are not leaving anything in the market, guys. If the market goes down, we go down with it. If it goes up, we go up with it. Yes, sir. We're all about Benjamin. We're all about Moolah. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. That's the end of this video, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and then let me know what is your thought on gold this week. Right? Is it gonna continue going down or is it gonna go up? But we are retail traders. We're gonna go with it everywhere it goes. But let me know what's your thought.